guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be sharing some information about bay leaf, the benefits, the uses, among other things. Is this your first time hearing about bay leaf? Or is it that you use it on a daily basis or you wanted to try using it? Let me know in the comment section below. Here is a video showing you what the bay leaf looks like. That is what the bay leaf tree looks like. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Did you know that bay leaf is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, and manganese? Here are some benefits of bay leaves. When you use bay leaf in your diet, it fights against fungal infections. Bay leaves has been shown to provide antifungal properties which can combat fungal conditions. These properties, along with a vitamin C content, can protect the skin from any kind of infections and irritation. Using bay leaves will also ease joint pain and body ache. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaf oil can ease the pain resulting from sprains or strains. It also balances blood sugar level. Bay leaves has been found to be effective in treating type 2 diabetes as it improves insulin sensitivity. Including bay leaves in your diet also reduces congestion. Bay leaf tea is effective in fighting the irritating symptoms of the common cold by clearing congestion in the respiratory tract. Bay leaves also helps in digestion. Bay leaves are good for treating digestive disorders such as heartburn. Bay leaf for hair. The oil from bay leaves is applied to the ear to promote blood circulation and ear growth. Bay leaf as moth repellent. Bay leaf uses also include keeping the spice to repel pantry moths. If you want to use this as a repellent, all you need to do is place a handful of dry leaves into a closed container containing ingredients like breadcrumbs, flour, rice, and the list goes on. Some other benefits of using bay leaves may include treating nosebleeds, induces sleep, cleans the scalp, treats menstrual problems, helps reducing stress and anxiety, and the use for body aches. And I've mentioned the use for body aches previously. Here are some ways to use bay leaves in recipes. Number 1. Include bay leaf in marinade for beef or chicken. Number 2. Mix it in curries. Number 3. Make some bay leaf tea. Number 4. Add it to soup. And finally, boil or steam fresh foods with bay leaves to enhance their natural flavor. This wraps it up for this video. As always, I hope you have learned something new. Please let me know in the comment section if you already knew all of this stuff before or if you have learned something. Thank you guys so much for tuning in time and time again. I really and truly appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!